How to transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper. I'm going to be heading over to my Tonkeeper wallet and then click on receive. You can see I have this address here. I'm going to be copying that, so I'm going to be sending USDT. So make sure that you have proper addresses copied, and since it only deals in Tone, I'm going to be converting on Binance from USDT to Tone. So first I'm going to be clicking on my USDT address and click on convert. Here I'm going to be selecting Tone. You can see I'm going to be searching in here for Tone, just like that, and make sure to do your conversion. Once your conversion is done, you're going to be simply sending. So that is done by, let's just say this is your Tone. For example, I'm going to be clicking on sell crypto, not actually sell. I'm going to be simply clicking on take out and withdraw. Then I'm going to be selecting my Tone from here and enter the address for that, and the address is going to be that we just copied here, this one, and boom, your process is completed. That's how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet.